The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. We continue today from Stutzman's for our Let's Grow It segment today. We're in the greenhouse in Pleasant View talking all about geraniums with Ben, of course. Ben, thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah.
It's begun.
It has.
2026.
I feel like I'm just being watched by geraniums.
I
They're just
know.
all around us. Tell us a little bit about what we got.
Well, this whole complex that we're in technically is our geranium production complex. But what I want to show here, our cuttings come in from some of them out of Guatemala, large production farms from there, and some even coming out of Ethiopia. But we get them in as little starters, except there's no roots at all. It's just a little cutting about this big that is with no roots on it at all. What I have here in the large container, we planted 5 cuttings in here, just stick them directly into the soil. And there's a process according with, as we heat this place and keep the moisture to it, that they go ahead and start to root. This pot here, I just wanted to show you the difference in stages, okay? Where we are today, this has been 1 week, okay? So I'm gonna come in here and pull this up. Yeah, but look at that. And you can see here where the roots are just starting to come away from that callus portion there.
Yep.
And of course, you can just go right back into it and plant it in. But now take a look at this.
Okay.
This
That's
is what's
week 1.
Week 1, 2.5 weeks.
2.5.
And you can see there's growth starting to come on here already.
Oh
my God.
Isn't that amazing?
That happens in about a week?
Yes.
Wow.
Week to 10 days. And now the soil that we're using here is a combination of composted pine bark, and you'll see little particles in here, little fertilizer. We do some slow release, and our soil system all has the ability to add whatever we want, nutritionally that way. But then we also fertilize through our water system. But just kind of give you an idea how rapidly these things grow. And it's about we refer to perhaps 11 to a 12-week crop. We talk about these as crops like farmers do. We're farmers in the greenhouse. But we time everything. There's about 4 different planting periods, like in our 4.5-inch pots, the smaller ones, to where you have fresh material coming on as the season progresses, with the target for the very first part of it about the first week of April, as we start getting our garden centers all opened up.
Wow, it seems like you're going to have plenty of
We will
geraniums
have plenty.
for people to choose from. I love that there's so many different options of them as well. Gardening centers opening up in here in just about a month or so.
Yes. There's about 36 different varieties that we grow in your salmons, your reds, oranges, pinks, everything.
Beautiful, that's for sure.
Always a pleasure to see you, Ben. Thanks for
Always
being
a
with
pleasure. Thanks for being a part of it. We love taking people behind the scenes of what's happening at Stutzman's.
We love it.
Yep. We have more Good Day Kansas coming up after this commercial break.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hi, this is Ben Miller with Stutzman's Greenhouse. Since 1956, our dedication and commitment to your gardening needs has never wavered. The passion for gardening is not only America's #1 hobby, it's a lifestyle too. We're here to help you year-round with your gardening needs. Have questions? Email us at questions@stutzmans.com. And to keep up with everything happening at Stutzman's, please join us at Facebook and visit us at stutzmans.com. From our garden to yours, expect success with Stutzman's. This is our promise to you.
Stutzman's Greenhouse, everything's green.